So good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Impulse Dynamic Trading Academy, teach your trading success. Yes, I'm SB Suryavanshi. I'm CEO and founder of Impulse Dynamic Trading Academy. My friend, yes, I'm a professional trader as well as investor. I'm a price action trader and derivative expert. I have more than 12 years of experience in this market, and I started my profession as a banker. After that, I started trading as a professional trader. Okay, my friend, yes, I'm a speaker as well as trading coach. I'm going to conduct this session today. So yes, we will discuss about the options as well as potential of the options. Okay, so my friend, yes, option is a derivative product which options price is derived from underlying asset. Okay, right, in this option there's a two products are there. First one is a call and put. So yes, firstly we'll understand what is call and put. Okay, so my friend, yes, call means call, this is a product of tezi. Okay, call is a bullish product. So whenever stock market will move up, whenever share prices will move up, call prices will move up. And whenever, my friend, yes, put is a negative product. Whenever market will come down, okay, or share prices will come down, put prices will move up. Okay, so yes, so whenever market is positive we can buy a call, and whenever market is negative we can buy a put, right? And yes, my friend, whenever market is negative you can sell a call, and whenever market is positive you can sell a put. So my friend, yes, you can trade an option in both ways. You can buy a call, you can buy a put, and you can sell a call and you can sell a put. But always remember one thing: whenever you are buying, your risk is limited and reward is unlimited. Once again, I'm repeating, whenever you are buying, your risk is limited and reward is unlimited, and whenever you are selling, your risk is unlimited and reward is limited. And that's why, my friend, yes, right, I am preferring more and more buying options. Okay, but my friend, yes, some people are traders, they are selling options. Okay, but my friend, yes, option sellers are most of the time they are doing hedging, and my friend, option buyers are doing naked trades. So whoever, right, we can identify the direction of option, market will move up on market will come down. We can identify through the research, we can understand the direction, and that's why most of the time we are trading in naked options. Okay, so my friend, yes, option is one of the best product in this industry, and yes, you can trade in option in each and every market scenario. Okay, so why option? The first one is a trading opportunity. This is the first feature of option. Okay, you can trading opportunities are available. Okay, next one is a hedging opportunity. You can minimize risk associated with your portfolio. Okay, you can hedge your position, liquidity is available here. Okay, trade with the low capital. If you have a small capital like a 10,000, 15,000, you can start trading in option. Limited risk with the high potentiality. This is one of the best feature, because whenever we are trading in option, right, whatever is your premium, like a 5,000 rupees, just imagine you are trading with the 10,000 rupees premium. So in extreme bad condition, if market will reverse, okay, you will lose exactly 10,000 rupees. But whenever market favor mein jayega, you will have unlimited profits. So this is one of the best feature, and there's a strategic alternatives are available in this option product. So now you can ask this question. So which type of strategies you can build? See here. So in cash market, you can earn money in only bullish market in intraday. Okay, in intraday you can trade in both way, but position you can earn money only one side, right? And my friend, yes, which is bullish market, positive market. That's why mutual fund companies most of the time they are earning in bullish market sentiment. Okay, whenever market is negative they are losing money. But in future, in options, you can earn money in both sides. Whenever market is positive we can buy a call, whenever market is negative we can buy a put. Okay, and my friend, in futures, whenever market is positive you can long future, and whenever market is negative you can short future. Okay, so my friend, yes, so we have a both opportunities here, right? You can earn money in each and every market sentiment in option. See, try to understand, this is very interesting. Okay, whenever market is bullish we can buy call, whenever market is bearish we can buy put, right, in this bearish scenario. And whenever market is sideways, there is no movement, still you can earn money, right, with the selling options, short selling options. Okay, and yes, we can earn money through the theta. And whenever market is volatile, you can earn money in both sides, like a bullish market as well as bearish market. Okay, so my friend, yes, so Vega, through the Vega also you can earn money most of the time in elections with a huge volatility. Like currently market is very volatile. Okay, so my friend, yes, this all features are available in this option segment. So that's why option is one of the premium segment. Okay, and that's why people are crazy about the options. So now my friends, yes, we will understand today's market sentiment. You can check almost market is down 1100 points today. Date is 23 March 2020. 23 March 2020. Market is almost 1100 points down. Okay, and my friend, yes, investors are losing money. They are very panic. Okay, my friend, yes, today everywhere in Maharashtra there is a curfew. People are not able to come out of their home. Okay, they are not able to work. Businessmen, they are not able to come their house. They are not able to open their shops. They are not able to open their factories, offices. Everything is locked down. Okay, my friend, yes, still our traders are consistently earning money in this market. Our traders are consistently earning money in this market. I will show you some trades of our students today's trades. Okay, my friend, yes, you can see Mr. Ajinkya Babar. This is our one of the students. Okay, today's trade I am going to show you. He made almost 10,000 rupees early morning. Okay, so my friend, yes, Mr. Ajinkya Babar, he bought call. Okay, and my friend, yes, you can see the call price, last trading price was 458. Okay, and this is nothing but the multi-bagger option I'm talking about. Okay, so here you can see, my friends, I'm going to show you the call option and what happened with that particular call. Derivative call Nifty. So Mr. Ajinkya Babar bought March 8,000 call. Okay, so this is my graph, intraday graph. Okay, I converted this graph to 1 minute, and now you can see what happened in beginning only. In beginning only, once market started, okay, my friend, almost 900 points market was down. Okay, and that time Mr. Ajinkya Babar bought a call. Okay, and call price was almost 345. Okay, after that what happened? Immediately price jumped to 580. Okay, almost 580, and yes, okay, lot size was almost 75 lot size, 232 points movement. So yes, so he made, Mr. Ajinkya Babar made almost profit is 10,000. Okay, and yes, my friend, this is the potential of the market. This is the potential of trading profession, right? I always used to say this is my favorite profession, trading. You know, trading is one of the world's topmost profession, right? And benefits of the trading is you can trade from anywhere, whichever is your location. Okay, my friend, yes, in each and every scenario you can trade and you can earn huge money from stock market. And my friend, today traders still earning, they are earning money and they are earning their bread and butter from stock market. And that's why I always, my friend, recommending to each and every person, my friend, yes, start trading as a profession, start trading as a second source of income, and this profession can change your life. Okay, so my friend, yes, this is the benefits of option, and one of trade I like to share of Mr. Right, my friend, yes, the previous, my friend, yes, the previous one around the 13 March, okay, 13 March 2020, okay, right. In previous, right, in the previous lower circuit also, Mr. Ajinkya Babar made almost 30,000 rupees profit. Okay, he bought a put of, right, that the market was negative, so he bought a put and made a profit of 30,000 rupees in option only. And Mr. Ajinkya Babar is trading with just a 10 to 15,000 rupees. Okay, and yes, and you can say this is a multi-bagger option. Whenever we are trading with the right direction, okay, you can earn this type of huge money. Okay, and my friend, yes, so this is the potential of option, and that's why, my friend, yes, you should always trade in option with the small capital. But in the option trading, you need the two things. You should have expertise in two things. First is the direction, and second is the timing. Okay, so first one is the direction, means market will move up or market will come down. Okay, or second, how much time it will take. If you have an expertise into these two things, you can mint money with option. And we are going to make expert in, my friend, yes, direction as well as time analysis. Okay, so my friend, yes, so this is all about our today's session. Our mission is to provide individual worldwide stock market trading education required to enhance their lives, achieve their dreams, and build massive wealth from stock market. Okay, so my friend, yes, if you have any questions, any doubts, feel free to ask. You can comment us, you can email us. Okay, we are consistently conducting stock market seminars as well as trainings, because stock market, this is a business of knowledge and skill set. And if you trade without knowledge and skill set, it's a gambling, my friends. Okay, so trade with the proper knowledge. Okay, my friend, attend our free stock market seminar and trade like a professional trader. Okay, and we are consistently conducting free stock market seminars, webinars. Okay, if you like to attend those webinars and seminars, all right, feel free to call us. Okay, this is our contact details, 8355929242, as well as you can email us info@impulsedynamic.com. You can visit our website www.impulsedynamic.com. Okay, so my friend, yes, thank you very much, and share our video. Okay, and like our videos. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can comment. Okay, and my friend, yes, subscribe our channel for more stock market related videos. Okay, so see you soon on our upcoming video. Take care, bye. God bless you.